This lesson is 7.7. It's adding and subtracting mixed numbers. We'll do 5, 9, and 13. For 5, it says find the sum. Write the sum as a mixed number. So the fractional part is less than 1. Okay, so let's start with number 5. First, we add the fractional part. So 3 6 plus 2 6 is what? 5 6. Okay, and 9 plus 2 is 11. That one, did this one have a hole in this? 5 6? No. Let's look for one that does. There isn't one that does.
2 does. Yeah.
Okay, let's look at number 7 also because it does have a hole in the fractional part. So 3 eighths plus 5 eighths is what? 8 eighths. And 8 eighths equals? 1 hole. And the holes like to hang out together. So we're going to put this hole up here. So we're going to write plus 1 over the holes. And we'll just cross that out. We don't need to worry about that anymore. So 4 plus 1 is what? 6. Now if I had something like 9 eighths, I would just take the whole out of 9 eighths, what would be 9 eighths minus 8 eighths, and I'd be left with 1 eighth, and then add the whole there. In this case, we don't have to worry about it. Okay, number 9, let's do that. So 7 eighths minus 3 eighths is what? 4 eighths, good. 4 eighths is the same as what? 1 half. So I'm just going to write the simplified version down there. Now that I've subtracted the fractional part, which is what I do first, I go to the holes. 6 holes minus 4 holes is what? 2. So the answer is 2.5, and I'm going to circle that so it's easy to correct. Okay, let's do number 13. James wants to send 2 gifts by mail. He's so generous, that James. One package weighs 2 3/4 pounds. I'm circling this. I'm doing cube as I'm reading it. The other package weighs 1 3/4 pounds. What is the total weight of the packages? So is this asking me to add or subtract? Add. What's my clue word? Total. Total's my clue word. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to work it right here. So I have 2 3/4 plus 1 3/4. Okay. All right, so first I add what part? The fractional part. Okay, so 3/4 plus 3/4 is what? 6, because 3 plus 3 is 6, so I have 6/4. This is one that does have a hole in there, doesn't it?
Yep.
Okay, so I have 6/4. What is the hole? It's 4/4. So I'm going to take that hole out and I'm going to put it with the holes. So I'm going to take the hole of 4/4 out and I'm left with what? 6/4 minus 4/4 is what? 2/4. Now if I simplified what is 2/4 simplified? 1 half, because 2 is half of 4. I'm going to write that right over here. Now, since I took a hole out, I have to put the hole over here by the holes. So 2 plus 1 is what? 4. So I'm just going to put it over here. 4 1/2. What is the total weight of the packages? 4 1/2 pounds, because I'm looking for the weight. So I write pounds. What's the abbreviation for pounds? Do you remember? LBS. Good. Dot. Period. Good. Good job.